rich history, fertile farmlands, economic strength and stability, entertainment and sporting activities, consistent public services. When you say community, many things may come to mind as many factors shape our streets, neighborhoods, and towns. One constant in every thriving community is strong, dedicated people. Quality health care is vital for any community, and Community Memorial Hospital has been a proud member of yours for over 60 years. Living here, it's no secret how valuable Community Memorial Hospital is to our area.
I had come home after work and we were stripping our floors and tried to open a window and wasn't looking, and it was slippery and my hand went through the window.
I got to the point where I couldn't handle the pain anymore. Well, I went over there one day and they admitted me immediately.
Me and some buddies, we just decided to go for a friendly cruise, and I was going too fast around a corner and I wrecked.
There wasn't any time. This had to be done immediately. To put it bluntly, I was bleeding internally, bleeding to death.
The Community Memorial Hospital mission is to provide quality health care to the people of Sumner and the surrounding areas, while coordinating an array of other vital services. That quality health care allows our community to take advantage of the convenience of our facility, saving an afternoon trip. But in some cases, it's more than convenience. It's life-saving.
911 was called and the ambulance came and got me, and Sumner Community Hospital took care of it, and they prepped me for the helicopter ride and the doctor personnel in Iowa City. If it wasn't for this hospital, then I probably would not be here today.
I was up in Iowa City for 3 months, and I couldn't stay there the duration of the time, so they wanted to put me in some sort of another hospital. Well, a lot of them would not accept me because of the big wounds. They didn't know how to care for them. And Sumner just accepted it on the spot and said they would come and take training. They'd send nurses, whatever it took. They were willing to work with me.
I suffered a rupture of an abdominal aortic aneurysm. I was taken to the hospital where they diagnosed correctly the problem. They prepared me for an airlift to Rochester where the aneurysm was repaired. Basically, simply put, if it weren't for the hospital, I wouldn't be here today.
If I wouldn't have had the hospital here to help me at that critical time in my life, it only meant probably the loss of my hand. That would have probably meant the loss of my business, because I depend on both of my hands to do what I do. And without my hands, I wouldn't have a viable business. Worst case scenario, I wouldn't be here talking to you today. I wouldn't be here to tell you about what happened to me. And that means everything.
While the facility has functioned well for 60 years, it is showing its age in terms of comfort and patient flow efficiencies. There's a very evident need to match the quality of staff and equipment with a new modern hospital to make sure we continue to offer our patients the best possible care. But a new hospital is more than equipment and technology. It's new services, more comfortable patient rooms, more efficient and effective methods for our doctors and nurses, giving our already compassionate staff the tools they need to take your health care to a higher level.
I believe the quality of care that we provide is bar none, and that will continue as we go down the road. The new facility will allow us to continue to employ those people that have the skills needed, be they doctors, specialists, practitioners, nurses. We'll be able to continue to attract those, and particularly with the new facility, it makes it much more appealing to people looking for a job.
It will definitely improve our image in our community to everyone, including future businesses. And we want to pride ourselves in having that type of facility so we can extend life longer. And that's what a hospital will do.
When you say community, Many things may come to mind. For over 60 years, Community Memorial Hospital has been the heart of healthcare, or the heart of your community in Sumner and the surrounding area. With a new hospital, we can continue towards the future, building a center that will bring advanced healthcare, economic growth, and new families to the area for today's and future generations.
Our Community Memorial Hospital seems to be one of the centers of the city that helps make this community what it is.
For the improvement of not only their own life, but the improvement of the area and the community, for the betterment of all.
And the motto of the town is Sumner, the city with the future, and we need to continue to work to make that happen.
I think as a community we've always stepped up when we've needed to keep the important parts of our community viable. And I truly believe that our community will do the same this time also.
Here, around Sumner, we realize we have something special. You can see it anywhere you look. Now let's look to the future. Let's look together to a new Community Memorial Hospital and the better, stronger community we build with it.